With the guided drive command, you can generate a vehicle path along an existing line, polyline, arc, or even at a defined offset. This lets the swept path run parallel to elements like pavement edges, curbs, and more. By applying an offset, you can ensure the vehicle path follows the exact roadway geometry, providing precise and reliable analysis results. This analysis is created as a custom object, so you can easily modify it at any time. You can adjust the path interactively, refine hatch styles, or update settings in the Properties panel. And by moving grips, you can quickly reshape and optimize the path to match your design perfectly. Finally, assign a vehicle profile to complete the workflow. This makes sure that vehicle geometry and steering data are clearly documented in the drawing.